Huawei is getting into the swing of making full-blown laptops with this update to its first ever Windows machine. And it's a huge update. With Jules, Wang on camera, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and this is our hands-on of the Matebook X Pro, brought to you by Invisible Shield. Alright, let's face it. There's only so much innovation that a company can bring to a laptop, and even so, Huawei has brought one of the most impressive approaches. As bezels continue to disappear on screens, this new laptop takes the cake to the most complete approach. The Matebook X Pro features a 14-inch 3K display that covers 91% of the body. Yeah, and it provides decent contrast and brightness specs for an LCD. Now, with a sleek metal design that's even thinner than a 13-inch MacBook Pro, you'd wonder where the webcam is. No, it's not necessarily in the awkward placement we've seen from the Dell XPS line, but close. In a button. Impressive, right? And while you may bristle at people looking at your fingers as you type, or other more awkward locations, this design actually makes sense as it lets users protect their privacy by hiding the camera when it's not needed. The bulk of specs include options for an 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. Top-tier models include discrete graphics from NVIDIA with an MX150 GPU. You've got 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 or 512 gigabytes on the SSD. Huawei says it got 12 hours of continuous video playback on a single charge, but as always, your mileage may vary. The 65-watt adapter includes USB-C, and thankfully you can plug it into either one of the two ports provided, unlike the original Matebook X. Keep in mind though that one of these Type-C connectors is actually Thunderbolt 3 compatible, which is awesome. Finally, just like last year's Matebook X, the Matebook X Pro brings Dolby enhanced speakers, and I'm talking quad speakers. But this is one of those things that I'd recommend you hear for yourself, as the demos were simply awesome, but there's only so much I can show you on video. You can see pricing and availability details soon by finding our story on Pocketnow.com, and while you're at that, here is a word from our sponsor. Friends, our coverage of MWC 2018 in Barcelona continues. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Learn more about Invisible Shield in the link in the description as well. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera, and Jules at PointJules. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.